Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do my last layout for April 2023 for the Build-A-Page series, and I am using a kit that was from April 2022. It was from the Scrap Room, and it's gorgeous. Simple Vintage Indigo Garden. So incredibly pretty. I have 3 full-size sheets left. Lots of pattern, lots of hubbub, and some cardstock. I do have, where is it? A little bit of scraps left, which is fine. I've got 2 big old sticker sheets left. A chipboard frame, which I do love. I don't know if I can use it now. Wish I could, but I can if I just show the picture of my son when he was younger, but he's holding a kitty. So we're gonna put the chipboard frame aside. I do have these really nice pieces. They're on foam today. Hello, Simply Divine. I bet I can use all of those. That would be nice. A few enamel dots and some die cuts. So I have all kinds of things. Now this month for Build-A-Page, oh, that's what came in the kit. I also popped some flair in here. I popped a stencil in here if I want to use it, but I'm not sure what I'm using yet. We'll see. I have them now. So what else to tell you guys? Oh, we have a bingo board, and if you've been watching my channel this week, you know I've been using it. I just do 1 row of, to get bingo, and then I just take a look to see if I have any of the other pieces, and I use them. It's been working. Okay, so not sure what my bingoing will be, but we have that. Now. Oh, the other thing I'm doing is let me save this photo. I am playing along with Scrap a Sketch from February from Scrapping Reflections, and this is the next sketch in the series that I'm using. It's by Susan Stringfellow. Looks like she did it for sketchsavvy.blogspot.com. Nice. So we've got some pieces that are layered. That looks kind of cool. We've got this open piece, which, you know what? I think I'm going to do that. You guys see how all this works? I have this little Heidi Swap stencil. That really looks a lot like this open piece, so I'm just going to totally use it. 4x6 photo, which I actually have. Tags, title, embellishment. So embellishment's kind of on a diagonal. Sweet, we can do that, right? So let's see. I do want to mat this photo probably on a piece of scrap white cardstock. This is going to become one of my layers. And if you look at that sketch piece, it was kind of scuffy on the top and the bottom. So that totally works. That will be good to go. I actually put it in as a stencil, but I would love to just use it. So that makes me happy. So let's see what might want to be our background. Ooh, that's pretty. 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 This makes a little bit more sense, but the cat turns bright yellow. Don't want Kitty turning bright yellow. Let me see the other side. Oh, guys, it's so difficult sometimes. So why don't I go ahead and try to use cardstock, right? Which isn't my first pick, but I will do so. I'm going to make sure to mat my layout. That would make me happy, so we can have that. And then, can I double mat it, or should I just single mat it? We have a little bit of the pink. No, that's not adding anything. And then that wouldn't add anything. I'm just going through the process. So I'm gonna go ahead and mat my my layout on this piece. I have to cut my pieces up. That's one of my scraps. I've got to cut some of my pattern papers. Let me go ahead and do that with you. Now, it's not super specific how they have to be cut. So this one helps because butterflies are one of my pieces, or one of the bingo things. All right, so here's the deal. I feel like I'm gonna wanna use this lower piece at some point in my scrappy time. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cut it out. I'm not using this full kit up with this layout, so I'm saving that for the future. Okay, because I wanted to. right, so I kind of like this. Now, my not so clever cutting has made it so I have to do my best to get something out of this. Lots of butterflies I can fussy cut if I felt like it. Now, let's go ahead and do this. We'll get that piece like that, and then I'll feel like I can kind of tear the bottom, and we can have some of that same vibe like in that torn piece. All right, we have that piece. Then, let's see what we have. The next biggest, ooh, we've got some pretty bold yellow. We're gonna go a little bit bigger with this. And then we'll have that piece, that's fine. Oh, guys, I really like the pink as well. Let me put the pink in. Wasn't expecting that, but I like it. So we have that pink with the butterfly, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab a little bit of this yellow as well, like this. And that might be kind of my ticket. It is, I love it. All right, that went boom, boom, boom. So I'm gonna do something very similar to that. So what I think I should do before I trim my natural colored cardstock, I'm gonna go ahead and try to attach some of these pieces to each other, because it will happen. You're gonna think you have some great design going, and then you get sad because things moved. Okay, and that. And then kind of like that. There we go. So I'm going to trim this. I'm going to mat it, all that kind of stuff. I'll meet you right back here. Alrighty, good traction is going on here. All my background pieces are attached. I guess technically my flare are, because they have a little adhesive square on the back. So used 3 of my flares, so that takes care of that. These are in the current Happy mailbox for Scrappin Happy Studio. They're so cute, love them. Now I need to kind of start feeling titly here. Ooh, this is nice. This one that reads love. Well, I mean, it basically just says Sweet Life, but you can do whatever you want in there. So I need to do a title kind of here-ish. Wondering how well this is going to fit. That might be nice. So I wanted something kind of, oh, I'm totally doing that. That's going in the center. Now we know. All right, so it's going to go from here. So I'm going to need some adhesive. Yeah, I like my idea that I have. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this up on adhesive. It's going to stick from here to here. And I'm going to have that nice little hello right in the center. I think that'll be fun. Okay, yikes. All right, so let me get this popped up. I've got some pretty good dimensional adhesive here. So I need it right here, and I need it right here. Let's see if that's enough. And then, guys, after that, it's just gonna be a matter of seeing what other little goodies on our bingo board we can get on. But I also have to see how well I'm doing on my bingo board. I have no idea. All right, so let's go like that. Totally cute. I don't know why that's making me so happy, but it is. And I've got my little hello flare is right in the center. So I guess my title is Hello Sweet Life. Cute. Okay, let's look at our bingo board. So 2 photos, no, so that doesn't work. Flamingo, that won't work. So butterflies would work. Let's look at something here. Oh, it's not a grid design. Oh gosh, guys, what are we gonna do? All right, so we know we have flare. How about flare, stickers, wood veneer, mixed media, scraps? I used a ton of scraps. I used flare. I already used a sticker. So I need some mixed media. So I know I can just be pretty easy with that and bring in some splatters in a moment. And for wood veneer, let me go over to my handy dandy wood veneer bin and see if I have something a little bit smaller to add. So let me see. These are all from Not Just for Boys Kit Club. And once again, I need to organize these by season because, you know, there's like autumn ones, there are spring, summer, all of that. So Let's see, I'm looking for something small, but they're not always, those would have been cool. Some stars, I love these stars, aren't they cool? Okay, let's see. Okay, the taco is cute. Cute, 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 cute. I wonder if I used, oh look, I have little metal pieces. Those don't belong in there. I wonder if I used both pieces that had my son's name on them. There, yes, I did. Oh, my goodness. Okay, I need to hunt for a little bit of wood veneer. I'll meet you back here. Very cool. I found some heart wood veneer, and I went ahead and used Distress Oxides and Mustard Seed, Kitsch Flamingo, and Villainous Potion to match pretty much my flare, and the flare matches all the rest. So we've got that. Guys, I really like this Today word. I'm going to see if we can tuck or do anything that works. It's just so cute. Like I'm pretty good with it going anywhere, but I like it. What are we gonna do? I just like that it's so like definitively beautiful. Guys, I think I might pop this out and see what I can do with this. I don't know. I think I'm gonna pop it right on top. And then maybe I can put a floral or something underneath that piece. We're just going to use it as a layering piece today. Okay, I like that. And I also really wanted to get into using some of these foamy things into some of these different areas so we can bring the colors around. Got this, oh, you know what? My Today piece that I should not have stuck down so well is slightly on a wonky. Slightly on a wonky. Not a big deal though. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and put this sweet little butterfly right there. Okay. Ah, these are still drying. Yikes. Yeah, I need to let those little guys dry. So we have hello, we have that. So I'm gonna put this to the side, not gonna use those guys anymore. Let's see about these. Got this gorgeous floral piece. Oh, why not? That would be a good tucker since we've got all of this area right here. And that might allow us, come on, to do, all right, you go down to get my little butterfly on there. Okay, I like that. Bloom and grow, this is beautiful, but the pink on pink isn't really showing a whole lot. But I do like the yellow floral. It looks like a zinnia. So we're just gonna go ahead, pop that. Love this most. Oh, I think I can tuck that in too. Look at us trying to use all the things. Good note to self is maybe not put these super sticky butterflies on first, because I want it where we can see all of the things. What if I do something like that and then can I get happiness underneath there? I think I can. So at this point, I am literally just like building, 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 building. Gotta try to get Mr. Butterfly up. He is aggressively sticky. No, it's not gonna happen. All right, so I have to try my very best to just make this work. Don't love the placement, but it's fine. Okay, bloom and grow, lovely, this and that. So I like that cluster, that's interesting. Oh, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and pop this up on some dimension and it can go into this cluster over here. Right, like that, sweet, like that, get it, sweet. Hello, that's funny. Okay, so that has a little black. I think we should put a little black on this one. So guys, my clusters are really getting built out and I am digging them. Let me move that light more. It was bugging me. But I do have some really pretty little butterflies and I was like, let me see. I've already got a pink one there. Got a pink there. I mean, they're just gorgeous. So pretty. Look at this one that's like this sweet little, I don't know if it would stay on, oh, it will, okay. So that is super pretty. I have that, and I still have these enamel dots I want to get in here. So I don't need a yellow one there. I already have that. All right, so I think we're kind of good on the buggy bits. Really like them. All right, I'm gonna put my enamel dots on. Like it there. Might as well go biggest to smallest. There. Let's get one right up in here. And then we can go boop, boop. Yes, they make sounds. When you touch an enamel dot to your page, it goes boop. Okay, we have that. So let's look at this really quickly to see if I'm inspired to use anything else. I only have one photo. I used scraps. Definitely have florals, pastel and pale colors, some of them. Tags or tabs. Tags or tabs. Ew, I'm kind of like using, look at this Best Buds. How cute would that be? So anyway, this is a picture, I didn't even talk about it, guys, of my son when he was at college, and he came across the most adorable little kitty, and they sent me a picture of him and Kitty. So cute. Just a couple little tickets. All right, tags and tabs. Tags and tabs. Tabs and tags. Not really seeing tabs and tags. Tags and tabs. Oh, I mean, that's a tag. Actually, did I put a tag on anything? That's a tag. Okay, we're good. Flamingo, no. Mixed media, I'm going to do some splatters in a moment. Geometric shapes, I'm going with circles. Acrylic pieces. I don't think I have any cute itty bitty baby acrylic pieces. So stamping, no. Sequins I already did. Wood veneer I did. Free space. Butterflies I have. This is not an L-shaped design. Did not use cut file or dies. I did use stickers. I do have bright and bold colors. Not a grid. Do I have any chipboard? Nope. 2 or more alphas is a no. I do have flare. I have 3 pattern papers. Here's my stenciling in that I used a stencil right on it. Hearts or stars, I have lots of hearts. Ta-da! All right, guys, I'm just gonna put some splatters on here and give you guys some still shots so you can see it a little bit closer. I can hold it up, but you guys will see it with the splatters in just a moment. Super pretty, using a very old photo I have had printed for years. Love when those things get done. And what else? Oh, and I'll have links down below for the other Build a Page creators so you can see what they are up to. And guys, I'll be back ever so soon with another video. Bye for now. Still shots right there.